Hi everybody, Spencer Atkins. Welcome to the Weather Blender blog. It is the 5th of February. Gonna do this one real quick here, just a quick update to show you what's going on. The storm's already begun. We basically have been looking at a lot of rain for many of us. Check out the big picture on the radar. You can see it's a really big storm system. You have some showers and thunderstorms down around, let's say, Georgia. All that moisture is feeding up into the north, and it is rain around, let's say, central West Virginia. The pink zone would be some freezing rain. That's Beckley, Bluefield. Then we have some snow again. It's kind of a rain-snow mix in the blue, even up through Elkins, and again, let's say in sections of southern Ohio. But the system is going to continue to have some colder air crash into it. Real quick look at the surface map, and you'll see that the area of low pressure is actually a double barrel low down around Georgia, Alabama. That's going to continue to float its way on up off the North Carolina shore. Once that happens, all the upper level cold air will get a chance to ride right back into our neighborhood with the moisture still coming in off of the Atlantic and also off the Gulf. So it's going to be a moisture-rich situation. Now, here's one situation with that. You get a lot of puddles, and that basically puddles are snow eaters. So that's going to cut our snow total a little bit when we see this changeover. We do think that we'll see the changeover from north to south. If you haven't already seen snow changeover, sometime after 7 o'clock, and then to the south again closer to about midnight around Charleston, Huntington, and then continuing on through the mountains. And everybody gets snow on Saturday. So the bulk of the snow actually falls overnight into Saturday morning. So let's check out a couple of forecast totals because we know that we're going to have a bit of a wintry mix here. And you see this is the model called the NAM. We're looking at only about an inch in southeast Kentucky and southwest West Virginia, but look at the tight gradient. It's about 3, 4, 5 inches right around I-64, steps up just north of Charleston, Huntington to 6, then 8 in southern Ohio. 18-inch bullseye is suggested from the ridge of the Appalachians on to the east. Let's check out the GFS, and we'll have to use the national map here because this is the freshest information. It has the same look. We have about 3, 4 inches across I-64, 6 inches plus, though a little farther north. So this is sensing that slight warmer touch in the air, which we have already seen today during the day. So this one probably has a little bit better look. It's more like 8 to 10 inches around Athens, Parkersburg to the north, and then the 18-inch bullseye again to the east. I want to show you what the National Weather Service has put out today, what they think, and they're going to go with about 3 to 4 inches across I-64, which kind of matches up with the models. 5 inches around Point Pleasant, 7 inches in Jackson County, and 10 inches in Athens County. So they buy the fact that the cold air is a little bit farther to the north, 15 inches over in Pocahontas County around the Snowshoe area. So that again tends to line up with the models. And I want to show you one that I like in particular. This model is called the WRF. It's a real high resolution, and you only see, it's a little hard on the map to adjust to because there's so many colors, but I've drawn in some numbers. 2 to 3 inches around Kanawha County, and then you can see it steps up 3, 4, and you get into Putnam, and it's around 3, 4 around the Huntington area. But then it does step up when you get up to Ripley, about 6 inches. Then it's 8 inches or so, again, right along the Ohio River as we get up toward Pomeroy. But it does step up to about 12 inches around Athens County. And you can see barely anything at all around Mingo County, Pike County. But there's your 18-inch bullseye, still spread out across a huge chunk of territory, which includes Washington, D.C., and Baltimore, and on over toward the Delmarva, which, of course, will just make everyone go nuts over there. So travel will be a little slick at times, obviously. And this certainly is significant even at 2 to 3 inches of snow with some ice underneath that. And then we'll pick up a little more snow again on the day Saturday, just kind of adding a little bit of insult to injury. So that's a look at the models. We think, again, I-64, somewhere right around that 4-inch mark. You go to the north, you step up 6, 8, 10 inches by the time you get up to Athens. And you'll see the same kind of a situation, about 6 to 8 inches around Beckley to the east. And then it really steps up, heading up to that 18-inch just peak up around Pocahontas County. So that's a look at the models, and we'll have more on TV later on. Thanks for watching.